You have water in your bowl.
You having a bath?
If you're going through this just to drink water.
Okay. Are you having fun? Oh, she just slipped right in.
That's not a bath, that's a shower. It's
Yeah.
coming down. You don't want her to soak in her own dirt. So you give her showers.
You're gonna slip. I'm just waiting for her to slip. Her paw's gonna slip right off. I knew it. I was waiting for it.
Here's your name? No.
You love that water, eh? Oh my god. She kills me. Look at you, the way you're sitting. Stand up. Oh, you missed it. She was lying like a person.
I was watching.
I'll take that. Rosie.
Is this the most she's ever been in the water?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
She can hurt herself. You go, babe. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, she made the water hotter too. No, don't go in there. No, you have to wait. I changed the temperature. I don't want it to hurt you. You don't seem to care, but I do. It's okay. It's just good now. It's a bit too cold. There you go. Maybe I should put this on YouTube.